Hey, plant lovers! Want to make your home smell absolutely incredible without lighting a single candle? You're in the right place. Today, we're talking about 4 amazing houseplants that pull double duty, adding gorgeous greenery and filling your space with delightful natural fragrances. Get ready to breathe deep and enjoy. First up is the scented geranium. These aren't your grandma's common red geraniums. They have leaves that release amazing scents when you gently brush them. Think rose, lemon, mint, or even chocolate. They love a sunny spot and well-draining soil. Just a light touch releases their lovely perfume. Next, let's talk about the queen of fragrance, the gardenia. While they can be a bit fussy, the reward is those stunning white blooms with an intoxicatingly sweet scent. They need high humidity and bright indirect light. Place one near a window and its perfume will drift through the room, creating a luxurious atmosphere. Looking for something elegant with a powerful punch of fragrance? Meet Stephanotis, also known as Madagascar jasmine. Its waxy, star-shaped flowers have a sweet, jasmine-like aroma. This vining plant does best with support to climb and enjoys bright light. Its scent is often used in perfumes, so imagine having that naturally in your home. Finally, for a fresh herbal scent, try Cuban oregano. This isn't true oregano, but has a similar, strong, savory aroma from its fuzzy leaves. It's super easy to grow and tolerates various conditions, making it perfect for beginners. Just brush its leaves for an instant burst of fresh, green fragrance that's wonderfully invigorating. Adding these plants is a simple way to enhance your home's ambiance naturally. They look beautiful and provide a constant source of lovely, fresh scents. Give one a try and transform your space.